Oh, bother. Frederick, why must we be in Walmart to find my undergarments?
I don't want to be here.
Neither do I, Frederick. You can smell the pour in the air. Hurry along. I don't want to catch their pour.
Welcome back, the Dazzling ladies. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, you'll find anything from femininity, lifestyle, beauty, all that good stuff. So let's jump right into the video.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly.
So I am going to be creating a series on how I revamp my wardrobe because I'm going more towards a elegant lifestyle and an elegant way of dressing. I will be trying to follow some of the School of Affluence advice on the cheat sheet on how to look expensive. So I'm actually revamping my closet, everything, my shoes, my clothes, and I'm trying to buy things when I purchase things, not to purchase them on impulse like I normally do. And we're going to buy things of purpose, of value, things that are staples in your wardrobe that you can wear over and over again, instead of buying fast fashion, lots of it for very cheap. I'm going to start buying pinpoint expensive items that are staples in my wardrobe. So I have Annabae's or School of Affluence cheat sheet on how to look expensive. So I'm going to be following these guidelines for the things I have in my closet. If they are not these materials, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of them. And from here on out, when I'm shopping, I'm going to pay close attention to this sheet and the materials I should get to try to look more expensive or upgrade my wardrobe, okay? So on this sheet, it says, cheat sheet, how to look expensive. So it says, study this cheat sheet each time you select an outfit or go shopping. This is a quick guide that gets you dressed elegantly and expensive in no time. All right, so it's telling you about the materials and what you should look for. The number one thing that gives away the price of a garment is the material. Despite high quality materials looking more expensive, they're actually costly. It is always worth the investment because the items will last longer. And even though I know this, I still would just buy a bunch of items and just low quality just to have quantity instead of quality, knowing that I should do this, but not anymore. I'm a changed woman.
Got money to spend in here. I don't think we have anything for you. You're obviously in the wrong place. Please leave.
I'm on my level up journey. I've always been very feminine. Now I'm just going more to I'm becoming an elegant lady. So we're gonna try this stuff. You know, that's what her School of Affluence teaches. So you're gonna be learning with me. I'm growing and learning. And if you wanna do the same, then come on and join my channel. Make sure to like this video and actually subscribe to my channel. So anyway, it says, for those on a budget, it is advisable to become an expert in synthetic materials by discovering the different mixes that look more expensive than others. So she says yes to cashmere, linen, silk, cotton, wool, leather, suede, and tweed. It says these are more expensive. Now, if you need a more low budget type of material that look inexpensive, she says synthetics are elastane, rayon, and viscose. But other synthetic materials can look more expensive depending on the blend and percentage. These are usually cheaper. So it says avoid rough looking polyesters, no cheap looking jersey material, any materials where the colors look washed out, PVC, PU leather, and anything artificial look. I have a lot of those things in my closet. And it says, for example, not all synthetic materials look expensive. You must scrutinize each material, look up closely, and even touch them to understand which ones are more durable, delicate, or thick. Make a habit of always checking the label of each garment to learn the materials. Okay, So I decided to purchase some items on this list when I went shopping this time, and I opted for silk. I know silk can be very expensive, but I do not like satin. This is satin that I have on right now. It's shiny. To me, it just looks cheap. And I've always wanted a silk dress. When I see women in silk dresses, it just flows and it just looks so beautiful. So I decided to invest in silk dresses, and that's definitely natural material and is on the top of the list. So I ordered some dresses from Lily Silk. I don't know if you've heard of them, but when I did my research on who sold silk dresses, I found a lot of silk dresses on Etsy and also on Lily Silk. And I decided to go with 2 dresses that I saw on Lily Silk. And I'm so excited to unbox these for you and try them on. So it came in this cute box. The shipping was under a week. As you know, silk is more expensive, but I did see a lot of sales on the website. So certain items you can get for sales, and I'm sure they have a lot of sales going on. But this is how it came in this box. It just says www.lilysilk.com. It's a cute little box with flowers on it. So let's open it up and look at the. All right, so before I show you the dresses, there was another rule that I followed when I was purchasing these silk dresses. She was talking about the colors, how to pick colors for your skin tone and things like that. I have a medium skin tone, and I have warm undertones. So you need to dress for your skin tone as well. But she says, earthly and natural colors look more expensive than artificial colors. What's important is the combination of colors plus materials. So I have the silk materials, now I'm incorporating the colors. If you have artificial colors and synthetic material combination, then the chances are higher it will look cheap. A safer bet is to combine natural colors and natural materials. So I have my natural material, which is silk, and I went with some natural colors for my skin type. So she said natural colors are beige, ivory, gray, black, taupe, khaki, brown, and white. And then pastels, mauve, I love mauve by the way, baby blue, soft pink, light yellow, and red. Red is an exception, classic color, and it looked expensive if styled correctly. Wearing a suitable color that matches your skin tone and hair is a must if a garment is to work for you. Wearing monochrome colors such as all white, all black, etc. works in making an outfit look more sophisticated. I am going to try to do that in the winter. I am going to try to create more monochrome outfits because it does just look more put together. She says avoid neon colors, neon pinks, neon yellow, avoid, she says no to bright artificial colors, which is fuchsia, purple, green, and yellow. And I'm guilty of these. I have a lot of these in my closet, which are bright and artificial colors. So let's get to it. So I picked colors that were for my skin type, so I know these colors will look good on my warm complexion.
All right, so let's open the box. It says better silk, better life. It's taped here. So let's go ahead and lift up the tape. It did send me like a little so-called gift with it. It was like a silk wallet. It wasn't cute, so I probably won't use it. And I'm also thinking about ordering some pillowcases from here too, and some of the silk camisoles. Okay, I'm almost about to drop it.
Okay. All right. So it's just fold in this tissue paper here, and both dresses are in here, and it's a little card at the bottom, which kind of just shows you some items that they sell. So all the items that they sell, and also some silk sheets, which I want to invest in. So I'll set that over here. And let's take out the first dress that I ordered. All right, so the paper fell. So this is the first dress that I ordered. I felt like this would go great with my skin tone. Let me look at it. Here it says Lily Silk is a luxury silk brand founded in 2011 is committed to redefining the silk industry. Finest grade 6A mulberry silk at an honest price. So they even give you like a little swatch of the color. I would think this color is like gold. I'm not really sure what they called it on the website, but don't worry, I'll link it below. And I remember in one of the School of Affluence video, she said that silk can, if you're heavier, silk can show all of some of the things you try to hide, like rolls and cellulite and things like that if you're not careful. I looked at the sizing chart and I just went with a medium. I could have got a small, but I didn't. I remember her saying that, and I know I have some unflattering things that I would like to hide, so I just went ahead and got a medium. But as you can see, it looks like it runs a little bigger. It does have adjustable straps where you can adjust the straps. And I went with this style because it was the most popular style on the website, which I was a little concerned about because I have I'm heavy chested, and I see a lot of girls who are flat to no chest wear these kind of dresses. So I were looking at the ones with like the cow neck like this, but because this was one of the best sellers and most people were happy with this one, I got one like this. So this is the first one I got. And I felt like this color against my skin tone would be amazing. Now, the second dress I wanted a red dress, but they didn't have, so the second one, I wanted a red dress, but I find that deeper reds or deeper violets look better on me. So I got a different style dress in this color here. I'll post the exact color of what they call it. I would call this like violet, but this one was a wrap dress. Hold on, if I can figure out how it goes. Yeah, it wraps. So this is a wrap dress, and once again, it gave you a little swab of the material. It feels really nice. I like how it has this, how the back is like in this square part like this. This is my first time seeing it, so I'm excited. So let's just stop playing around and go ahead and try it on. I'm gonna try on the gold ones first. So this is the dress just out of the box. I just ordered a half bra from Fenty. I really love it. I will not show it to you, but I'll place a picture of it above because I don't show men in my underwear. But I'll show you this bra, and I was really nervous about that because with these thin straps and things like that, I really needed a bra that didn't show, wasn't lumpy, and just fit under here. So I'll link the bra so you can see it. The straps can be adjusted. This is the color. This is a medium, and you see how forgiving it is. This material feels so good on my body. This is how the back looks. I don't have on any shapewear or anything under it, so this is just how it looks raw out of the box. It comes to my knee. It's no splits. Come a little closer. I could adjust these and make these a little tighter. You really don't see many lumps and bumps. If you do, just let me know, but I feel like it's very flattering, and I was a little nervous about that. So comment below and let me know what you think about this color against my skin. It feels amazing. It feels very light. It feels like right now in Atlanta it's like 90 something degrees. I feel like if I go outside in this, it would just be so airy and light. I wouldn't get hot. I really like it. I'm really impressed. What have I been doing with my life? You know, not owning any silk items. I like the neckline, but I think I like it better because I have a good bra under it. So that's the first dress. Let me switch into the other dress. So this is the second dress. I think when you look at the models, everybody's just so straight down that the dress fits totally different, especially when you have breasts, because it's taking up some of that area. So this is how it looks. It ties on the side. It had a little wrap. This is the side. This is the back with that little square detailing here. This is the other side. This is the dress. I'm not really sure this ties right. I will go back and make sure I'm tying it right, but which color do you like best on me? Or which dress is your favorite? Oh, it's so light. I just feel expensive. I just don't know. I don't know which one I like the best yet. I will have to style it and all of that. I will do a video showing you how I styled it, how I decided to wear my hair and all of that. Because I am doing a little girls getaway weekend. I'm gonna get a hotel, go to dinner, you know, just have a spa day at the hotel. And I think I'm gonna wear one of these dresses. I'm not sure which one, but I will do a video and show you how I styled it. But right now I'm very happy with how they look. I'm very happy with the material. I really like them both. I think one was more expensive than the other, but I will link the price. One was $99 and one was maybe $110, but I'll make sure I put the prices below. But always check with them. They do have sales going on that I see throughout the websites. So I'm sure you can find some kind of sale on these dresses at some point in time. And tell me if I did well. So I got the colors and I got the material. So silk, have my 2 silk dresses now. I can wear these, it's very versatile. I can wear this in the winter and in the summer. That's why I chose these 2 colors. I didn't go with a pastel color because they really don't go that well in the winter. And I can show you some ways that you can style these in the winter as well. You know, I just made sure I bought something that was versatile, that I can wear every season, okay? So, I'll link everything below. Let me know what you thought about the dresses. Definitely comment below and let me know which dress was your favorite and would you go purchase one. Thumbs up the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you dazzling ladies in my next video.